welcome back to my channel. This video is the continuation of the series of Azure Labs. In my previous two videos, I have discussed how to create a resource group and how to create a virtual machine. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a web app that runs Docker container. So the question might be thinking, what is a web app? So web app that scale with your business, because it's having a built-in auto scaling and load balancing feature. It's highly available and support Windows and Linux platform. So let's go to our resource group. Let's choose a resource group. Let me go to quicker one. How to create a resource group, I have already discussed in my previous video, so do watch that video to know how to create a resource group. So in my resource group, let's go to add and create go to web app. So here is it, resource group name quicker1. Name, let me give the name quicker. Yeah, publish. Let me publish a Docker container over here. Operating system, let it be Linux, and region, let do not disturb it for it. Let it be Central US out of various region which Microsoft provides. And app service plan. What is an app service plan? So basically an app service plan defines a set of compute resources for a web app to run. What does this mean? App service pricing tier determines the location, feature, cost and compute resource associated with your app. So as you can see, it's by default taking my previous app service plan which I created. So let me create a new app service plan for this web app. Let me give it as a quicker app service plan. And okay, here is it go. The next we have SQ and size. We can change the size according to the need. If we are in development and testing environment for less demanding workloads, we can choose 1 GB RAM or 100 total SU. And if we are in production, we can go with 3.5 GB memory up to 32 GB memory. Each and every SQ and size will have different pricing range. Same we have for isolated also, varying from L1, L2 and L3, range 3.5 GB memory to 14 GB memory. So for now, let it be in F1, the free one. And let's go to next Docker. For right now, let's create a single container. And you might be thinking, what is this Docker? What does this mean? So Docker is basically a software platform for building an application based on containers. So what is container? Is it the container in a ship? It works exactly the same. Containers are a small and lightweight execution environment that makes shared use of the operating system kernel, but otherwise run in isolated from each other. What does this mean? It means the same. Each and every container has its own environment, working different from each another container, but sharing the same operating system. So let's go to image source. Let me from this various, let me choose quick start and go to, we don't need monitoring right now, so let's don't worry about tags also. Review and create. Let's just give it a second. It's telling the template web portal is not valid according to validation procedure. Go back. Let me go back. Quick start. Go back. Let me change the resource group for now as Mohit F1 only, and review and create. It's validating, validation passed, and create. As you can see the notification over here, it's submitting deployment and deployment process. Basically the problem was that because I already had an app service plan, that's the reason I think it was not taking another app service plan. So I choose back my app service plan as Mohit. So let's wait till it get deployed. As it in deployment in process, your deployment is complete. So as my web app that runs Docker container is deployed, and let's check it. It's time to check whether it's working correctly and or not. So as you can see, that location is Central US, URL is this. Just copy this URL and open a new tab and paste that URL and enter. Let's wait and see what is happening. Till now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe my channel, as your subscription and your likes give me motivation to create more videos like this. And do watch my previous Azure Labs videos, and I have also having another playlist for different examination on cloud which Microsoft takes, like Azure 900, which is Azure Fundamental, Azure 204, and Azure 400, which will be coming soon. So please subscribe to my channel and enjoy learning. So it's still loading. So we have seen in this video how to create a web app that runs Docker container, and for which you can also practice all these labs by following what I did, and create a free Azure account and enjoy learning. You can see it's working. Hey app service developer, your app service is up and running. So here it is. This was all about this video. I will provide a link to how to create a resource group and how to create a virtual machine at the end of this video. Do subscribe to my channel, give it a like and share it with your friends. Thank you.